balls. Because we gotta make sissy balls with Binangkal. With Binangkal with spilled eggs. Hi friends. So we got actually flour, sugar, actually fruit. One is like a vegetable, egg, spoon, water, seeds. Now, so now I need to do this. It's actually flour. So make sure if you make a mess, your mom can actually. You need to do that. And now egg. No, so you do egg. Egg. Alex, you do the egg. You're right. Wait. Now we need to do this one. Now what's the next? Water. Yeah. And mix. No! We didn't do all the ingredients. No! We didn't. Oh, yeah, mix. Now we need to do our hands. No. Now we just mix it. No. I do it. Because I did mix. And now we're going to make it in our hands. Stop. What's the next thing we're going to actually make with it? So you take a piece and you roll it. It's actually making snowballs. This one likes a nice one. Where we put it, Mom, now? Mom's a little bit tired, but we're going to make this now. So you can choose any one. So I'll copy Mom what she did. First I need to roll it. Roll. Everyone has some? Do you want to try? No. Okay. I'll try again. Want me to try? I will try again. Make sure I don't make it fat and big. Just a little bit. If you get sticky, it's actually really soft or sticky or tasty, but you're not ready to eat it. You can just eat it, but you can't eat it now because we're not ready yet, actually. Oop. That one's done. Now we're going to do that one. It's like roll. It's actually hard when you roll, but you can actually, if you do that, it's not how you do it. It's like this. Roll. I hope so. Get this easy now. Got this easy. Now I can't do it. Roll the sesame ball. It's actually fun when you do it with your mum or your dad or your sister or your grandpa when you do it. If you make a mess, it's okay. Well, it's going to be a squishy one. Roll. It's like a tiny one. One, two. We're not done yet because we need to make it all. That one's done. And now we need to roll it, so roll it right here. Really a little sticky and roll it. Roll. That one's done. Now we're gonna roll. It's actually really funny when you just roll and it keeps you dizzy. But sometimes when you just do it like this, dizzy. I wash hands actually clean with. We can wash hands when we are done. If you got germs from school and you do wash your hands at lunchtime, you can actually roll it if you're in school. So now we're gonna make it will actually roll. This will look perfect. A little bit more. And then roll it. Here we go. So my mom do this, though he mom actually do this when she is bigger, but now it's actually look perfect. Oh. I actually got sticky hands and you can make... Yeah, sticky hands. We had to make a wash and clean. Yeah. Not now because we're making it. Meatballs. Sesame balls accent. But she's not how to talk Australia, but I'm recording. Yeah. This one looks perfect. This one looks perfect. The one roll. Actually, rolling can be fun. So you just do roll. Put that one's down. Actually, you're almost getting finished. We just need if you need some help. If you have a mom or your dad action, you can actually help them. If you're not sure again, you just tell them. If you think so, you have to cook another one if you do it. If your mom and dad said, can I do every action? And that's why if your mom do every action, you can do lots of action with your mom and dad. So I need a little bit of this making. And we need to actually roll it. Okay, get off my finger. Roll, roll, roll. Here we go, roll. Here we go, roll. And roll, roll, roll. Here we go, the roll. Here we go, the roll, roll, roll. Here we go, the roll. Don't look perfect. Now, if you got sticky hands in the gravy, wash them with everything is actually, this one, oh, we're going to do a bigger one. This actually, I like it. And so we're going to cook it now. Bye. And we're going to fry it. And you want me to show you again? The we have seeds. When you put sesame balls, it's very yummy. Okay, we go first, sister. Yeah. Make sure to put in the plate. Plate. And the bubble bits. You see the white bit? Yeah. White bits. Or the pink bits at the side. So, and today is actually cook. And actually we're going to try that. We'll pick one. Ooh, this is actually yum. First we need to use a plate. Oh, get a plate. Now, the food is like, it does like biscuit. You know what it tastes like? I like. Hello friends, it tastes like biscuit. Biscuit, the same. Bye friends. Bye friends. Tomorrow we're going to do a story. Bye.